Hello and welcome to this mini maths test. So there are 18 questions altogether, and every single question is very different from each other. Let's have a look at the first question. So which number is 100 less than 1 million? So how do you write 1 million? So we know that a million always has 6 zeros. So let's just write this down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're expected to take away 100 from 1 million. So let's write down 100 here. Okay, let's try and answer this question now. So 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. But we cannot take 1 away from 0. So we're just going to change this now. So we're going to go to the left, cancel this 1, turn it into 0. Excuse me. And borrow the 1 here to turn it into 10. But again, we need to borrow the 1 again. So cancel 10. 10 into 9, borrow the 1 there to make 10, cancel 10, 10 into 9, borrow the 1 there again, cancel 10, 10 into 9, and borrow the 1 here as well. So 10 take away 1 is 9, 9 take away nothing is 9, 9 take away nothing is 9, 9 take away nothing is 9, and then we've got that extra 0 at the beginning, which we don't really need at all. Okay, so in this case, the answer is going to be, let's put the comma there, 999,900, and that's going to be option C, which is going to be our answer. All right, so good luck with the rest of the questions, and we will follow this up in our next class. Thank you so much.